This video will demonstrate default IR control functions of the A-dec S76 surgical light. IR functions are programmable from the settings menu. 3 different functions are available: on, off, and intensity, on, off, and composite setting, or composite setting and intensity. This demonstration will show the default function of on, off, and intensity. Let's get started. To turn on or off the light, swipe or briefly place your hand in front of the IR switch at the bottom of the light head. To adjust the light intensity, place and hold your hand in front of the IR switch until the desired intensity is reached. If you have additional questions, please call customer service at 1-800-547-1883. A helpful A-dec associate is just an email or phone call away. That's one thing you can always count on.